Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Today, I'm going to be talking about my new Ignik Gas Growler. This thing is awesome. It's a 5-pound tank. It is super portable, molle panels all around, tons of great features and stuff built into it. So again, I'm just going to really quickly kind of walk you through what you can expect when you get this thing. They also make an awesome fire pit, which I will link to down below as well. But if you have sort of like a fire pit or anything portable that you need to take and you need a 5-pound propane tank to run it, this would be a great option. So let's talk about features and benefits on this episode. As you can see, the kind of thing that makes it unique is that it comes with its own carrying case. It's super heavy duty and it's custom built for the 5-pound bottle. It does have this molle webbing that goes all the way around, which is really nice. So you could attach things to it or you could attach it to things. The other kind of cool thing is it's got this handle, right? Which just looks like a normal handle, but it goes through the entire length of the bottle. So if you want to carry it on its side, you can pull it through the side and carry it on that side. So it's kind of a nice flexible handle, which is really cool. So basically the top unzips and it does have like this nice sort of like molded lid in here that holds everything still, so you don't have to worry about it bouncing around. It also comes with this adapter hose, so you can plug it into the 5-pound bottle and then plug the other end into a fire pit or a small stove, that sort of thing. And then of course the bottle itself. For filling this thing, I will say what I've found is my local U-Haul is probably the best place to do it. I think the last time I filled up a 5-pound bottle, it was about $2 to fill the thing up. It was crazy. The guy almost couldn't believe how cheap it was. Then they do put this like rubber sort of seal around the top just to make sure that it doesn't cut into the lid there, which is really nice. But again, just if you are going to use it on a portable basis, so if you're going to throw this thing out on the ground and have a fire pit going or a buddy heater or a small stove or anything like that and you don't have a way to mount that permanently, then this would be a great option to just kind of throw in the back of your SUV, throw in the back of your truck, throw in the cab of your vehicle if you need to. So tons and tons of options for how to use this thing. But again, super simple, straightforward. I really like the form factor of it. It's not heavy. It weighs about what a 5-pound tank would, but it's got, better ways to carry it. And again, the fact that you can strap things to the side of it, you could attach like, say, a little bag of fire starters and things like that to the side of it is pretty cool. So overall, it's a really, really nice 5-pound tank. And I think it's great for, portable use. All right, guys, so that was the Ignik Gas Growler. Again, if you need a portable 5-pound propane tank, you need something that you can kind of toss in your rig, take out when you're done with your trip. You want to run a fire pit or you want to run a stove, but you don't have room to permanently mount a 5-pound tank on the back of your vehicle or the top of your vehicle, this would be a good option. So again, really super impressed with the quality of it. It seems like a great piece of gear. So if you're looking for something like this, there will be a link in the description below. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button. I do gear reviews every single week, plus usually like general overlanding stuff or do-it-yourself mods, that sort of thing. So if you're into anything like that, I'd love to have you. Also in the description below are links to Facebook, Instagram, and I've got a podcast as well. So definitely check that stuff out. In addition to that, I've got a Patreon page where we've got a Discord and we all kind of chat 24/7. It's awesome. And then we've got a newbie overlanders group on Facebook too. Totally free to join, but tons and tons of new folks to overlanding looking for help and looking for ideas. So I'd love to have you in that as well. But again, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If it was, click that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you use something like this and you have any feedback on it. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.